Hello everyone. Let's start our third activity for today, which is letter C. Yesterday we have learned the phonic sound of letter C. We have met to friend of letter C. We have learned the action trick of letter C. But today we are going to revise and reinforce the concept again by story of Clever Cat, and we are also going to do two worksheet today. Let's see what are the learning objectives. The learning objectives for this activity are introduce letter C, introduce the phonic sound, action and rhyme and story for letter C. We are also going to practice Hump's pattern. The resources which are required for this activity are uppercase and middle case letter C written on paper, worksheet and crayons. So children, can you tell me by looking at this picture that which letter is written here? Can you tell? Yes, this is letter C. Do you know what letter C says? Letter C says K. Do you know who is the friend of letter C? The friend of letter C is Clever Cat. And do you know what action we do for Clever Cat, children? What we do? We have learned yesterday, na? We stroke imaginary whiskers across our cheeks. As you can see in this picture, how that girl is doing like that. So children, let us recite one more time the rhyme of Clever Cat. You want to listen? Okay.
Children, let us recite Clever Cat rhyme. Clever cat says cat inwards, cat inwards, cat inwards. Clever cat says cat inwards and cuddles close to me. She also make another sound, another sound, another sound. She also makes another sound. You wait and see. Let us recite one more time. Clever cat says cat inwards, cat inwards, cat inwards. Clever cat says cat inwards and cuddles close to me. She also makes another sound, another sound, another sound. She also makes another sound. You wait and see. Thank you.
So children, did you enjoy the rhyme of Clever Cat? You enjoyed? Okay. So you are also going to love to the story of Clever Cat. So let's listen to story of Clever Cat. Clever Cat loves to sit by Letterland Castle, having a cup of cocoa and doing her crossword puzzles. She is such a clever cat that she can fill all the words before she finished her cake. Yum yum. If you want to, if you went to Letterland, you would probably see Clever Cat driving around in her car. Pom 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 pom. If anyone has a problem, Clever Cat will come to help. She knows how to cook carrots and cauliflower and make custard and cakes. Who all likes to have carrot, cauliflower, custards and cake? Do you like, children? I know you all like. She knows how to count and how to clean her car and how to carry things carefully and lots more. If anyone in Letterland asks who can help us with this problem, the answer is usually Clever Cat can. So children, did you enjoy the story of Clever Cat? Did you like? Can you see the castle? Yes, can you see the cocoa cup? And can you see this carrot? cake and car of clever cat. Can you? You can? Okay. So children, can you tell me that where does clever cat loves to sit? Can you? Clever cats love to sit in Letterland Castle. Kakak Castle. Where? Kakak Castle. And what does she do there, children? She sits there having cup of cocoa and doing her crossword puzzles. Kakak cup. Kakak cocoa. Kakak crossword. And what can she do before she finishes her cake, children? She can fill all words in the crossword. Kakak crossword. If you go to Letterland, what will you see her doing? Can you tell me, children? If we will go to Letterland, we'll see her driving her kakak car. Kakak car. What can clever cat cook, children? Can you tell? Huh? We have discussed now. Yes, she knows how to cook carrot, cauliflower, custard and cake. Kakak carrot, kakak cauliflower, kakak custard and kakak cake. And what else she can do, children? She can count, clean her car, and she knows how to carry things carefully, and she knows lots more things. Do you know who are the friends of Clever Cat? These all are the friends of. Let us see. Let's meet them one by one. Kakak Castle, Kakak Cake, Kakak Cocoa, Kakak Carrot, Kakak Crossword, Kakak Car, Kakak Custard, Kakak Cauliflower. After doing this, we are going to do this worksheet, children. Parents, you can find these worksheet under Resource tab of Parent Connect app. This worksheet is for letter C. And there is one more worksheet for today, which is for practicing hump pattern. So, children, did you enjoy this activity of letter C? Did you enjoy it? Okay. So, please share photographs of doing this activity with me. Thank you. Thank you.